France recently unveiled plans for a new nuclear-powered supercarrier that is set to be one of the most powerful vessels in the world. The new carrier, known as the PANG, Porte-Avions Nouvelle Génération, is a significant development for the French Navy and has sparked a great deal of interest and speculation around the world. In this video, we will explore the history of French naval aviation, the design and capabilities of the new supercarrier, and the potential impact it could have on France's military and global power projection. We will also examine any criticisms or controversies surrounding the new supercarrier and provide a balanced view of different perspectives. The PANG project was initiated by the Directorate General of Armaments (DGA) in 2018 and is included in the Strategic Review and the Military Programming Law 2019 to 2025. The new aircraft carrier will be constructed at Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire, France. According to the plans, the hull assembly will be carried out in blocks between 2031 and 2034. Followed by outfitting between 2034 and 2036. The project's design phase is estimated to cost approximately $900 $1.09 billion, and studies on the PANG began in October 2018. The French Research Institute DGA Hydrodynamic Techniques Center in Val de Réouille is responsible for the first PANG testing phase. Currently, the first tests on small-scale models of the hull are underway in a lake in southern France. Tests at an Armed Forces Ministry Test Center in Val de Réouille, Normandy, will follow. This project is not only groundbreaking in terms of military technology but also terms of job creation. The development and construction of PANG will create 700 new jobs, and an additional 1,400 people will be hired to work for Naval Group and its partners on the PANG project. The history of French naval aviation. France has a long and proud history of naval aviation, dating back to the early 20th century when it first experimented with seaplanes. During World War II, the French Navy played a critical role in defense of France, and its aircraft carriers were instrumental in providing air support to ground troops. However, in the post-war era, the French Navy's focus shifted to nuclear submarines, and the country's carrier fleet dwindled in size. In the 1980s, France invested heavily in naval aviation again with the development of the Foch and Clemenceau-class aircraft carriers. These vessels were equipped with advanced technology and were capable of carrying a variety of fixed-wing aircraft, including the Dassault Superétendard and the Rafale. However, these carriers were powered by conventional engines and had limited range and endurance. Part 2: The design and capabilities of the new supercarrier. The new PANG carrier is designed to be significantly more extensive and powerful than its predecessors. It measures over 300 meters in length and can carry up to 50 aircraft, including fighter jets, helicopters, and drones. The vessel is equipped with advanced technology, including an electromagnetic catapult system, which allows aircraft to take off more quickly and with a greater payload. The carrier is also powered by a nuclear reactor, which provides almost unlimited range and endurance, as well as more incredible speed and maneuverability. The new supercarrier significantly differed from previous French carriers, which relied on conventional engines and had limited range and endurance. The nuclear power source offers numerous advantages, including increased operational flexibility and reduced vulnerability to fuel supply disruptions. The carrier's advanced technology also gives it a significant edge in combat, with faster launch times and more excellent aircraft carrying capacity. Currently, the PANG program is in the Risk Mitigation and Innovation Studies phase, which began in January 2021 and is set to continue until December 2023. At the same time, preliminary design studies began in Q1 of 2021 and are expected to wrap up in Q1 of 2023. Moving forward, the definition phase of the program is slated to begin in Q2 of 2023 and will continue until December 2025, with a significant milestone being the system functional review. It's expected that the decision to launch the development and production phase will come at the end of 2025 or early 2026. After that, the development and production phase will span a decade, from 2026 until 2036. There are several significant milestones set to be achieved during this time frame. The impact on France's military and global power projection. The new supercarrier is set to significantly enhance France's military capabilities, particularly in power projection. The carrier's advanced technology and nuclear power source allow it to operate in virtually any part of the world, allowing France to project its military power far beyond its traditional sphere of influence. This could significantly impact global power dynamics, with France potentially becoming a major player in naval warfare. The carrier's advanced technology also gives it a significant edge in combat, with faster launch times and greater aircraft carrying capacity. This could make it a valuable asset in conflicts worldwide, particularly in areas where air superiority is critical. Part 4: Criticisms and Controversies. Despite its many advantages, the new supercarrier has not been without its critics. One of the main concerns is the environmental impact of nuclear power, with some critics arguing that the use of nuclear reactors on board the carrier could pose a threat to the marine environment. Others have raised concerns about the project's cost, which is expected to cost billions of euros. Proponents of the new supercarrier argue that the environmental impact of nuclear power is minimal when compared to the effects of fossil fuels and that the carrier's advanced technology and nuclear power. The source offers numerous advantages that justify the cost. They also argue that the carrier will provide a significant boost to France's military capabilities and global power projection, which will ultimately benefit the country and its allies. However, it is important to acknowledge and address the concerns of critics. The use of nuclear power does come with some risks, and measures must be taken to ensure the safe operation and disposal of nuclear waste. Additionally, the project's cost is undeniably high, and it is important to consider whether this investment is the best use of public funds. Ultimately, the decision to build a new nuclear-powered supercarrier is a complex one, with many factors to consider. While the new carrier undoubtedly represents a significant development for the French Navy and its military capabilities, it is vital to consider the potential risks and benefits before making a final decision. In conclusion, the new nuclear-powered supercarrier being developed by the French Navy is a significant development that has the potential to reshape global power dynamics and enhance France's military capabilities. The carrier's advanced technology and nuclear power source offer numerous advantages over previous French carriers, including increased range and endurance, incredible speed and maneuverability, and faster launch times. However, the project is not without its critics, who raise concerns about the environmental impact of nuclear power and the cost of the project. While these concerns should be taken seriously and addressed, it is important to carefully consider the potential benefits of the new supercarrier, both for France and for its allies around the world. Ultimately, the decision to build a new nuclear-powered supercarrier is a complex one, but one that has the potential to enhance France's military capabilities and global power projection significantly. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with the latest news and updates from our channel.